Let's unbox the Faraday key fob protector box for your key fobs. Blocks the signal. Now let's unbox it, see how it looks. Link will be in the description where I bought it. Check it out and see what you think. It's nice and well protected inside the box. Good snug fit. This is how it looks like. It's stylish and practical. The Faraday box is made with PU leather and internally lined with premium RF shielding, which is great. Blocks any signal from any key fob out there for any automobiles. So safety is always great to have, especially to keep your car protected at all times, even when you're sleeping. When you get home, put the key fob in the box and then just close it. And you could put multiple keys for a big household or multiple cars. Plenty of room for many key fobs. Now let's add some keys to see how much room you have in this large Faraday key fob box. So now I'm going to put 2 keys in the box. So you can see there's more than plenty of room for more keys. So now I'm going to add more keys into the box. The good thing about this one that it comes in 2 sizes. This one is a large one, and I'll show the small size too as well. It's the same as the first one, it's just smaller. So check it out. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them. Hopefully my video was useful and helpful. Don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching.